But for the first time with AI generated content, we've decoupled the effort and the output, making it possible to create content with a click of a button. And that's huge. But that also means the web is becoming very saturated with content. Just looking at to learn more about marketing, there's over 8 billion results in about half of a second being returned. So if you were to compete in that space, it's 8 billion results that you're competing with. How do you cut through the noise? Especially as a lot of this AI generated content is very repetitive. Now, some of you on this call that have experimented with ChatGPT know that not only making articles of similarity have put very redundant pieces of information out there, but even in this singular article, ChatGPT can be very redundant with his answers. And it becomes very important the prompts that you're feeding into it to give a bit of uniqueness. But it's not just that, because if everyone's using the same tools to create the same output, you're going to see a lot of repetitive content, a lot of duplicative content. That's something Google has really pushed against, that the quality of the output is what they want to focus on.